Now based on the formula for angle between the two lines, we can develop the condition for parallel and perpendicular lines. So that means how do we detect whether the given pair of lines involves the two parallel lines or two perpendicular lines, right? Now we know the formula for angle between them, that is tan theta given as mod of 2 root h square minus ab whole upon a plus b. Now if you consider the first case, that is suppose we want to check for the case of parallel lines, then parallel lines means the angle between them must be 0 degrees. So that means we must have tan theta equal to 0. So that means if this whole quantity is supposed to be equal to 0, then that means the numerator has to be 0. That means the square root of h square minus ab must be 0, and hence that means h square minus ab itself should be equal to 0. So therefore this is where we get the condition that h square minus ab should be equal to 0 for a pair of parallel lines. Now in case of perpendicular lines, the angle between them must be 90 degrees. But we know that tan of 90 degrees is not defined, isn't it? Let us recollect why it is not defined. Simply because the cos of 90 degrees is 0, right? So therefore when the denominator is 0, that quantity becomes undefined. So therefore to have this particular quantity undefined, we must have its denominator equal to 0. So this is where we get the condition for perpendicular lines, that their denominator, that is a plus b, must be equal to 0. So these are the two important conditions for the lines in a pair of lines to be either parallel or perpendicular.